Welcome to SAT School. This is our first video on profit and loss. Now let's get started. So what is cost price? It is simply the price that you pay for some article, or simply this is the price at which an article is purchased. An article here means some goods that you purchase or any object that you purchase. For example, here is an laptop. Suppose you purchase the laptop for 50,000. So this is the cost price, meaning you purchase laptop for 50,000 and that is CP. The next, here is a home. If you purchase the home for 5 million and that 5 million is your cost price. Now, what is selling price? It is simply the price at which an article is sold. For example, if you sell a laptop after a year for 40,000, that 40,000 is selling price. And the same house that you bought, if you sell that for 6 million, that 6 million is the selling price. Here in the first example, you bought the laptop for 50,000 and you sold for 40,000. Now, if you compare, then you have cost price which is higher than selling price. In that case, you are in loss, meaning the loss is cost price minus selling price. Now, if you look at second example, here the cost price is 5 million, but you sold for 6 million. The selling price is greater than cost price. In that case, you will be in profit. So profit is selling price minus cost price, meaning when there is higher cost price than selling price, then there is a loss. If there is higher selling price than cost price, then there is profit. So in this example, you are in 10,000 loss, but here we have 1 million profit. Again, cost price is the price that you pay for buying an article or some goods or any object. Here you bought for 50,000 and that is your cost price. Again, selling price is the price at which an article or any goods or in any object is sold. Here the selling price is 40,000. And again, when there is CP is greater, there is a loss. If ASP is greater, then there is profit. Simply loss is CP minus SP and profit is SP minus CP. Now, what is MP or mark price? Mark price is the price and that is mark for selling an object or selling any goods, any object. For example, here is a bike and the mark price for the bike is 1 million. Okay, so this is a bike and the mark price is 1 million. Now you see most of the luxurious thing there you can see discount, or you can even see sale of the luxurious good. In this case, the discount is given 100,000 or simply 10%. Now what is discount? Discount, or sometimes it is used as rebate, is the reduction in price offer on mark price, meaning this is the mark price and it is given 100,000 discount or simply 10% discount, and this is reduced amount on that mark price. So simply discount is reduced price on mark price. Again, mark price is price which is marked for selling purpose. On that price you can see sometime discount, which is nothing but reduction in price on mark price. For example, this is the mark price of the bike and this is the discount amount and this is discount percent. So when you calculate selling price, then you deduct or reduce this discount amount. If discount amount is given, then selling price will be mark price minus discount amount. So in this case, we have 100,000 as a discount and 1 million as the mark price. That's why selling price is 1 million minus 100,000, and that should be equals to 900,000. So this is when the discount amount is given. Now SP, when discount rate is given, in that case SP is MP minus discount rate multiplied by MP, meaning here we have a MP which is 1 million and we have discount rate, this is 10%. 10% of 1 million is equals to 100. So simply MP is 1 million, and if you calculate the discount amount using discount rate, which is 10% of this 1 million, is equals to 100,000, and that is simply 900,000. So this is the relation when discount amount is given, and this is the relation when discount rate is given. In the question, you may given discount amount or discount rate. Again, when amount is given, this is the relation, and when rate is given, this is the relation. These are two ways to calculate when discount amount and discount rate are given. Now here is the most used formula that we use in profit and loss. So if you have to calculate profit percent, then SP minus CP divided by SP multiplied by 100. Again, if there is the profit in the question, we can use this formula directly. For loss percent and for SP, when profit percent is given, and for loss percent, we use this relation. So when the profit percent is given, there should be plus. When there is loss percent is given, there should be minus. Again, if SP, CP are given, we use this for calculating profit percent, or you can say gain percent. If profit percent is given, we use this relation. When loss percent is given, we use this relation. Profit percent and loss percent are always calculated on cost price. When you calculate profit percent as well as loss percent, then we use this cost price. So that is the meaning. When you find profit percent or loss percent, then they are always calculated on cost price, meaning you have to divide by cost price in both cases. Now these are some more. You can find cost price when profit percent is given using this relation, or you can find cost price when loss percent is given using this relation. Again, if profit is given, there is a plus, and if loss is given, then there is minus. So that is only the difference. Plus for profit percent or gain percent, and minus for loss percent. Or even you can find discount percent using this relation. Discount amount divided by mark price multiplied by 100. So here again one point to note. The discount percent is calculated on mark price, that is MP. So here profit percent and loss percent, they are calculated using cost price. For discount percent, we use MP, that is mark price. So remember these two. For profit percent and loss percent, use cost price, meaning divide by cost price. To find discount percent, use mark price, meaning divide by mark price. Now here is a practice question 1. Simply the question is, if the profit percent, G percent and selling price ESP are given, then what will be the cost price in terms of G and ESP? Now here the given are profit G percent, selling price ESP. Now we know to find cost price, we simply write this relation, that is 100 multiplied by ESP, 100 plus G percent. So this is what we did earlier. Simply to find cost price, Here we have discussed that to find cost price when profit percent is given, we use this relation. Again, 100 multiplied by SP, 100 plus P percent, or instead of P you can write G percent. If G percent is given, that is gain percent or profit percent. Again, to find cost price when loss percent is given, we write minus. For profit we write plus, or for gain percent we write plus G percent. So this is simply the relation when we have to find cost price if we have selling price and we have profit percent or gain percent. Now here is practice question 2. Simply the loss percent is given L percent and selling price SP. Now you have to find cost price in terms of L and SP. As we discussed earlier, if L percent or loss percent is given, then there should be minus L percent. So that is a simply difference from practice 1 and practice 2 question. Here simply 100 multiply SP, 100 minus L percent. Again, if there is loss, minus. If there is gain or profit, then there should be plus. So that is simply the one difference when loss percent and profit percent or gain percent are given. Now here is practice question 3. You have to write the relation or formula for finding the rate of discount when discounted amount and mark price are given. The second question, if MP of an article is RSX and discount of Y, then what is the rate of discount? So you have to find rate of discount when MP is given and discount amount is given. So this is the discount amount and this is mark price or MP. You have to find rate of discount. And next is, if MP of an article is given and SP is given, then what is the rate of discount? So here the mark price is X, selling price is Y. Now what is rate of discount? These are similar question, but the difference is here we have a discount amount which is Y, but here we have SP. I want you to try all these questions. We have already discussed the relation to find rate of discount, MP, CP or something like that. So try this question. This much for today. I'll meet you next video. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I'll upload my next video. So take care. See you.